Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Guanciale is not only an ingredient in pasta dishes. In Italy, it is often enjoyed as a winter snack, thinly sliced and eaten with bread or other cured meats. Accompany with a glass of Chianti for maximum authenticity.
Take our lead.
This translates into a meltingly tender texture with a deep, sweet savory pork flavor. Guanciale is a knockout in many traditional Italian dishes like pasta carbonara and bucatini alla matriciana. You don't really eat raw guanciale. It is a highly savory piece of white pig fat better used for cooking.
Take our lead.
Guanciale is an Italian meat made from cured pork jowl. It has a salty richness and intense pork flavor that will perfume your kitchen with meaty goodness. You can find it at any Italian grocery store and in many butcher shops, but feel free to substitute pancetta if you can't find any.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.